Happening tomorrow, President Biden and the First Lady will travel to Puerto Rico to survey damage from Hurricane Fiona.
The Bidens will also visit Florida on Wednesday to tour the damage from Hurricane Ian. That storm is blamed for nearly 80 deaths in the state. ABC's Justin Finch has more from Venice, Florida.
Tony, good morning. The death toll here in Florida after Hurricane Ian reaching at least 72 people. And here in areas like Venice, a rocky road to recovery ahead. This historic theater here left in ruins, though some grocery stores are beginning to reopen now. But fueling up is proving to be a lot more of a challenge. High demand leading to long lines and growing frustration. Days after Hurricane Ian struck central and southwest Florida, new images revealing the troubling transformation. In Volusia County, homes underwater, the roof of this Chuck E. Cheese collapsed. After flooding forced its shutdown, a 14-mile stretch of I-75 in Sarasota County has reopened, though rising water levels could cause the critical highway to close again. In nearby Northport, more flooding, neighborhood streets submerged. For many, help can't come soon enough.
We just like a little help. I'd like a little help to get my home back in shape because I have nowhere to go.
Food and water running low on Sanibel Island. Ian cut them off from the mainland.
With the causeway and the bridge out, that makes it look really difficult for us to get assets on the island.
These newly released satellite images highlighting the storm's destruction. Governor Ron DeSantis saying the return to normal won't happen overnight.
We understand that they're working on connectivity. We understand they're working on cell phone service. We understand they're working on getting the electrical back.
Further north, coastal South Carolina now recovering from Ian's Category 1 landfall Friday.
We live 2 doors down from the pier. We watched it crumble and watched it float by with the American flag still floating, and it's pretty intense.
The weekend storm now churning northeast. The White House says some 44,000 utility workers are now fanning out across storm-ravaged areas to restore power, some aiming to have their customers back online as soon as tonight.